Procedure number 1. Start the lube oil pump, usually a gear or crew pump that draws oil from the sump and delivers it under pressure. Second is going to the other side of engine to check the lubricating oil inside the engine system. And this is what you see. Third is use the flywheel to maintain the engine rotation stability and to store rotational energy to smooth out power of fluctuations between power strokes. And this is what you see. I'm maintaining the rotating of star wheel. And this is the engine lubrication cooling system tracing line.
Kining yellow pipe mo ang lubricating oil na to nga gigamit sa engine stroke. Kini ang bypass valve kung need na to siya i-fully close ay fully open kung winter. If summer naman semi close lang na to. Then mounting para mga parameters niya ini tutok. And then from seawater mo at seawater convert into fresh water mo padung siya dili ni now kana say mo kuha sa pabugnaw sa mga makina padung siya dili mo sa padung mo gawa sa dili sa daong pipe then balik na bugna diha pasakan na siya sa expansion tank.